In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile link. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Continue to tap on settings. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on Meta Account Center. And the Meta Account Center, proceed to tap on profiles. So under profiles, I have a list of accounts associated with this account. So make sure to select the one that you want to change the profile link. In this case, I'm going to select this one. Then continue to tap on username. And there you are. This is my current username, which is Mubarick Mohammed Usman. So in the event you want to change it, all you have to do is to tap in it, then make the necessary changes that you want to make, but make sure the username is available. So after everything, you can proceed to tap on done. Now, if you want to locate your profile link, all you have to do is to navigate back to the home page. On your home page, on the top left corner where you see your profile icon, continue to tap on it. Then proceed to tap on these three dots beside see dashboard. Then scroll down until you locate your profile link. And there you have your Facebook profile link here. You can proceed to copy it by tapping on the copy link. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Facebook profile link. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.